So welcome to lesson 4. In lesson 1 we talked about email, lesson 2 we talked about documents, in lesson 3 we talked about task managers, and in lesson 4 we're going to try to show you, I'm going to try to show you how to keep it all in sync, and we're going to go over to my phone and then I'll show you that way. So over to my phone here, this is my home screen on my phone. And again, I try to keep things very, very simple, nothing on my desktop effectively. So the first thing I'm going to show you is email. Now, there's not much to show you here, to be honest, because email, just like on my computer, is very minimal and there's nothing in it. And again, the reason for this is that if I'm on the road and I want to check email, I don't want to see a bunch of stuff within that email app. I just want to see what's new, because everything should be in its rightful place, which is either my task manager or my project management tool. So there's not really much to show you on this, but I just wanted to show you how simple it is to actually have it in sync, because as you can see, my phone is in sync with my email. The next one is the documents. Now in files, again, it's set up exactly the same way. I use iCloud to sync. You can actually do this also with G Suite, but it's done slightly differently. But basically, it's the same thing. So anything I've put into my business folder is all there. So if I go back into my finance, these are all the years of my finance files. If I go into my desktop, there's nothing there, just as exactly the same basically on my computer, and my personal, again, exactly the same there. So it really doesn't have to be difficult to have your files with you on your phone. So effectively, I can work from my phone. And going back to the task manager, again, if I look at my today view, nothing in there. It's synced with its own cloud. Now, Things 3 has its own cloud facility, cloud service, I should say. And whatever you put in on your computer basically gets synced here. So you saw a flash of it, but this is the project that we created on my Mac, and this is the details that we put into my task manager. Again, I try to keep this stuff really, really simple. You don't need to have really complicated ways of working. You can keep your files in sync with your phone and with as many computers as you want effectively. Although I don't think it's a good idea to have loads and loads of computers. But so if you have an iPad, a phone, a couple of laptops, if you use the right system, you can actually have it all synced up together. And in our next lesson, lesson 5, I'm going to show you how to actually work remotely with all those items. I'll see you in the next lesson. Ciao.